Well, my name is Jameer Sell. I'm from the Party for Socialism and Liberation. Tamir Rice, he was just another example of the youth killed. The youth being targeted on the streets by the police. They use that terrorism so that the youth doesn't rise up. Because the number one thing they're scared of is the youth rising up, realizing their revolutionary potential and, overthrowing the system that's basically made to enslave them. So they're making sure Tamir Rice doesn't grow up to become one of those teenagers in Baltimore. And they don't want all those kids in Ferguson to have even grown up in the first place. You know what I'm saying? They're saying let's solve the problem early, before it grows into a problem. So they clearly view the children of our communities as, basically like a parasite. Like you would view a disease or something. And that's a recipe for genocide.
With someone who was wanted for murder, okay? In the vernacular,
they started the period of real genocide because they didn't need us anymore.